I've been seeing a lot of Biscoff spreads flying around the internet, and they're really good, for sure. But have you tried one with protein in it? Let's make it. For this recipe, you're gonna need a minimum of 124 grams of Biscoff biscuits. I like mine kind of finely grounded, but you can decide how finely you want to grind yours. You can use more biscuits as well if you like. Next up, you need 25 grams of brown sugar. Do not use white sugar as it differs in taste. I prefer mine with brown. You mix your biscuits and sugar into the blender. Next up, you add a scoop of vanilla protein powder. It doesn't matter if it's whey or if it's regular protein powder, any protein powder will do, and I just use vanilla because I love the flavor. But I used a scoop of 30, but you can have a play around and see what works for you. Next up, you're going to use 100 grams of either condensed milk or evaporated milk. If you are an European like me, there's only such a thing called condensed milk and you cannot get evaporated milk. Once you've mixed that to your desired consistency, you add condensed milk or evaporated milk and you blend for roughly a minute or two. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. A 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon. Next up, you need 10 grams of butter. Taste the product and see if it tastes like how you want it.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video on how to make Biscoff protein spread. I do hope you enjoy it and you try it out and see what works for you. You never know, you might find your new favorite.